will talk about how can you select download translation fields on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on general, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. Then you just click here on download translation fields. When you click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. And here can you select download translation fields on your app here on your Truecaller app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.